the most important tropical forest also occupies Ecuadorian territory. The flora and fauna in the heart of the Amazon forest carries a vast variety and is exclusive to the area. Discover small villages where the mountain range ends and the Amazon forest begins. Baños, a city surrounded by rivers and waterfalls. Enjoy extreme sports while visiting the natural abundance hiding in this highlighted region. The Amazon's nature is responsible for Ecuador's mega-diverse territories. Mammals, reptiles, and different bird species from the Amazon forest cohabit along with the indigenous communities who up until today keep medicinal and daily traditions from their ancestors alive. Latin Trails invite you to navigate down the Great Napo River and discover the heart of the Amazon forest on board of the best river cruise in Ecuador. An excellent service will surprise you and allow you to discover this region in a very original way. Different types of lodges offer great accommodation while fulfilling this great expedition in the Amazon jungle.